close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivy. If you are new here, karibu sana, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. And guys, today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. I want to do general cleaning of my appliances, and I will start with the microwave here and the fridge. Then I'll go to the cooker, and also guys, I'll be boiling my cereals, so kindly stay with me. We shall also arrange my shelves, yeah, and declutter some of the things that I don't use. So kindly make sure to stay tuned to watch this video till the end. And if you are watching and you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe. And yeah, let's start the cleaning. So I'll start with this fridge, as you can see, and then the microwave. Tutatoa hizo vitu hapo, and on this side we'll clean the cooker.
Let's all take a ride.
I started by removing the fridge shelf so that I can do the cleaning.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun.
I am using warm water and vinegar to clean.
I'll always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
Today, for the first time, I'll be removing this rubber.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
So guys, I never knew that one should remove this. Can you see how dirty it is? It's dirty. Until I saw a video on Shell. She's also a YouTuber. I'll tag her name here. Yeah, and finally I'm going to clean it. Can't believe it. I can't believe it. Just look at this. See? Chafu yote ilikuwa hapa. See? Okay. At least I'll clean it today.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And I hope itarudi. I hope itarudi. Shell, isiporudi.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take
For the microwave, I will still use the water and vinegar to clean.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be
here my black beans were ready. The next cereal that I'll be boiling is kamande.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I didn't have the oven cleaner, but that did not mean that one should remain dirty. I used the dishwasher soap to clean it, and it turned out clean. After the oven was clean, I went ahead to roast my groundnuts.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is a hack that I use. If you want your banners to remain clean without rust, always soak them in hot water and vinegar. Guys, this is the part that I feared the most, returning the rubber, but I'm glad it was easy.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And this is how my appliances turned. They were all clean, as you can see.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
By the time I was done cleaning, my cereals had also cooled down and it was time to pack them.
and on lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
My groundnuts were also ready, and guys, at this point I just felt tired. I wanted to take a shower and rest for the next day. I cleaned the floor behind the cameras, and yeah, allow me guys to see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, to share, and to leave a comment. Bye bye.
Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.